Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to hide a folder on Windows 11. Firstly, right click on the folder you want to hide. Press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard or just click Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, look toward the bottom. Check the box labeled Hidden, then click OK. A dialog will appear asking Apply changes to this folder only or Apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files, and choose based on your needs and click OK. The folder will disappear from the File Explorer unless hidden items are enabled. To see hidden folders, open File Explorer. Click the View tab or the three-dot menu on Windows 11. Just enable hidden items to unhide. Repeat the above steps and uncheck the hidden box in Properties. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.